Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, is there a dua for a work environment that upholds righteousness and doesn't normalize sins? Or a dua for a protection against people that regularly sin? Fasik. Jazakallahu khairan.
Wa jazakum. There isn't anything specific, to my knowledge, anything prescribed for such a thing. However, a Muslim has only one God, one Lord, one Rabb that he can shower him with his needs. Anytime you are in Salat, you're at the preferred times of dua between adhan and iqamah, you're at the last third of the night, it's raining, it's the last hour of Friday before sunset, you can make dua asking Allah Azza wa Jal to grant you a good environment, a sinless environment where you would get closer to Allah without falling into sin, and such general dua is accepted.
No, Sheikh.
So can we assume that she adopted you and found you at the steps of the masjid, and hence she's not your biological mother and you should not hug her or kiss her or be alone with her?
No,
Why?
because it is assumed that she is my mother.
See, again, you are not using the same analogy. Nobody goes and takes samples and gives it to the lab to analyze if they're on a microscopic level traces of impurity. Islam is much easier and a simpler religion that relates to the nature of farmers, of shepherds, of nomads, of laymen. It doesn't tell them to dig into details, and as they say, the devil is in the details. Something you can see, something you can prove is najis, then it's najis. You can't see it, you can't prove it, you can't smell it, khalas. The default it is not najis, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.